If you think about it, your home is really the backdrop to you, and you are the theatre. My grandparents' home had that really fantastic feeling of home, and everything that I've ever learnt and everything I've ever taught or I do came from my grandparents' home, but it was the feeling in that place. She made it inviting and welcoming, and it had a great smell, and the furniture was comfortable, and I remember people always wanting to come for lunch there. I think with any room in the house, you have to work out what the room's being used for. So depending on whether you've got kids or you're just a couple on your own, it depends on the colour of it and the textures that you use and the feeling that you want in that space. And that feeling of going home, that feeling of feeling secure, that's what you're trying to create. It's got to be you. It's not about what your neighbour thinks. It's about how you feel in your home. And so you have to be true to yourself when you choose things. So all I'm doing here is just giving you a choice, and it's up to you to put those things together how it works best for you.